In a typical workflow, you may have to alter objects. Two of the most common are trim extend and fillet chamfer. Let's look first of all at fillet. You have to set the radius. In this case, we're going to set the radius at 2. Select the two objects, and the fillet is added. Let's do that for the second one. Again, it was the same size. If you have two parallel lines, as we have here, simply selecting the two lines with the fillet command active adds the radius onto the end. This is much quicker than perhaps using an arc. Next thing we want to do is extend some geometry. We want to extend this line and the bottom line to that line. Very often it's easier just to select all of the geometry involved. Right-click, click the two lines you want to extend, and the job is done. Now we want to add a chamfer to one of those edges. Again, we need to set the distance. In this case, the distance is 1. There are two distances to be selected. In this case, they're both equal. Select both of them, and it's completed.